Top 5 option trading strategies. Number 1 strategy. Long call, bullish strategy. When to use? When you expect a sharp rise in a stock index. How it works? Buy a call option, pay premium to profit from upside movement. Risk reward. Max profit, unlimited, stock rises significantly. Max loss, limited to the premium paid. Example, buy one Nifty 22,500 call at 100 rupees. Break-even is equal to 22,500 plus 100 equals 22,600. Number 2 strategy. Covered call, income generation. When to use? When you hold stocks but expect limited upside. How it works? Sell a call option against existing stock holdings to earn premium income. Risk reward. Max profit, premium plus, strike price, stock purchase price. Max loss, if stock crashes, unlimited downside on stock, but premium cushions loss. Example, own 100 Reliance shares at 2,800 rupees, sell 1 Reliance 3,000 call at 50 rupees. Number 3 strategy. Iron Condor, neutral strategy. When to use? When you expect low volatility, sideways market. How it works? Sell an OTM call plus OTM put while buying a further OTM call put to limit risk. Risk reward. Max profit, net premium received. Max loss, width of spreads, net premium. Example, sell Nifty 23,000 call and 22,000 put, buy 23,500 call and 21,500 put. Number 4 strategy. Straddle, volatility play. When to use? Before major news events, example elections, earnings, expecting big moves. How it works? Buy a call plus put at the same strike price. Profits if stock moves sharply either way. Risk reward. Max profit, unlimited, if stock rallies or crashes. Max loss, premium paid, if stock stays flat. Example, buy one bank Nifty 48,000 call and put before RBI policy. Number 5 strategy. Bull put spread, credit spread. When to use? Moderately bullish view with limited risk. How it works? Sell a put option plus buy a lower strike put to reduce margin. Risk reward. Max profit, net premium received. Max loss, strike difference, net premium. Example, sell one HDFC Bank 1,600 put at 30 rupees, buy 1,550 put at 10 rupees. Net credit is equal to 20 rupees. Pro tip, always define entry-exit rules and use stop losses. Test strategies on a paper trading account, like Zerodha's Kite Simulator, before live trading.